Okay, continuing with these last ones. Uh, lain sa atoa. So lain sa atoa. Literally, lain sa atoa means different from us, right? Different from us. Lain sa atoa. And this one you can use when you're in conversation, like when you're at a conversation with someone, like at a party or something like that, and you're talking to someone and you're engaging this conversation and you're really interested in stuff like that, and you can say, "Oy, lain sa toa" means like, "Oh, I'm gonna change the subject for a bit," right? And then you're gonna talk about something else. So you're focusing on one topic or one subject, or you're listening to a story that someone is saying, and then you're interrupting, or you want to say, or you want to change the topic to something else, and you're gonna be like, "Oh, lain sa toa," but like, "Oh, different from us," or apart from us. Like you're taking yourself out of that topic and moving to a different topic. So here's an example. All right. Lain sa ito pero ganahan ko kaayo sa imong arios, pulseras ug kulintas. Right? Lain sa ito pero ganahan ko kaayo sa imong arios, pulseras ug kulintas or quintas depending on what dialect you want, right? So lain sa ito means like, okay, hey, different from us, but it's like, hey, yeah, apart from this, or different from us, what we're talking about, but I really like your earrings and bracelet and your necklace, yeah. So, ganahan ko kaayo sa imong arios, earrings, pulseras, bracelet, ug kulintas, necklace, and necklace. So, I don't know, this person was probably talking to someone in deep conversation, and that person noticed the person's jewelry, and they're like, hey, I really like your blah, blah, blah. So, it's just, yeah. So they were talking, and then they say, "Oh, lain sa to blah 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 blah," right? So that's something you can use. The next one, time pasa or time pausa. This one, time meaning time. It came directly from English. Time, right? Time with that Bisaya or Cebuano accent. Time, right? Time pasa or time pausa. And usa means like for a short bit, that little interval, that short little interval. But often of times usa gets shortened to sa, right? Sa, usa or sa. Time pausa, time pasa, right? And time pausa or time pasa means hold on, give me some time, or wait one, right? Or hold up, or hold just a minute, And then kadalit lang can also mean the same thing. Kadalit lang, or like, hey, just hold on, man. Like, wait a moment, hold on. And the examples I have is this. Kadalit lang, bag-o pa siya milakaw, right? So, kadalit lang, bag-o pa siyang milakaw. Hey, wait up, he just left. Like, he just left. Hold on, he just left. Or wait wait a moment, he just left. Kadalit lang, bag-o pa siyang milakaw, And then the next one is time pasa, kinsay nag-una sa away. It's like, time pasa. Kinsay nag-una sa away. Yeah. So hold on, wait one. Who started the fight? Who was the first to go, or who obviously kinsa with the e, who is the first to fight, or who's the first to go fight? Kinsay nag-una sa away. Who was the one to go fight? Who was the first one to go fight? Yeah. And kaha. So kaha is meaning kaha means more like maybe or perhaps. So you can translate kaha to more like perhaps or maybe. I have 4 sentences here that I could show you for this one. Is like, diin kaha gikan ng mga bukbok sa bugas, right? Diin kaha gikan mga bukbok sa bugas. So where perhaps did the little rice bugs come in the rice? So bukbok is a little bug, like these little bugs that you find when you're gonna buy rice, like the bags of palay, the rice that's not even cooked yet and it's still hard, but it's in those bags that you buy at the grocery store. The palay. And there are these little bugs that eat those things. So sometimes when you buy these bags, there's these little rice bugs that eat those or feed off of those things, and it's kind of nasty. And we call those little bugs bok bok, those little tiny little bugs. It's called bukbuk, and the bukbuk eat the bugas. Bugas is the uncooked rice. It's still the hard palay, that rice that's been collected, and it hasn't been boiled or cooked yet. It's still called bugas. Once it's cooked, once that rice is cooked and it's all soft and edible and you can eat it now and fluffy, then it's called kanon, right? So from bugas to kanon, right? And sometimes, I mean, yeah, before, like sometimes when I would make the rice, I would I would find the bokbok, and then sometimes I would just cook the bokbok too, and then let other people eat it. But that's just me. But no, I just that's why you have to wash your rice and before you cook it, because all the little bugs will start floating on top into the water, and you just discard it. But anyway, moving on. So, din ka gikan ng mga bokbok sa bugas is saying, oh, where might these bugs be coming from in the palay, right? Next example is oy, kinikaha ang akong antepara. Kinikaha ang akong antepara. So, oh, this maybe are my glasses. Antepara and anteojos, they're the same thing. Antepara, anteojos, they're glasses, right? Antepara, anteojos. Yeah, they both came from Spanish. Kinikaha ang akong antepara. This perhaps are my glasses. This maybe are my glasses. Oh, this could be my glasses. Kinikaha. Oh, kanikaha. You know, this or that. Right? Maybe. This maybe or that maybe. That may be my glasses. This may be my glasses. Right? Unsaon kaha mo inom ang uhaw nga uwak? You know, unsaon kaha mo inom ang uhaw nga kuha? Uwak. Sorry. Ang uhaw nga uwak. So, how perhaps will the thirsty crow drink? So this thirsty crow is thinking, you know, how unsaon kaha mo inom ang uhaw nga uwak, right? How in the world, how perhaps could this thirsty crow drink, right? Uhaw nga uwak is a thirsty crow. Mo inom is the verb to drink, inom, right? Kaha, unsaon kaha, how maybe, how perhaps, how in the world could this thirsty crow drink? And the last one is, nag-abusar og illegal nga droga sa menor de edad kaha. Kagrabe, no? Nag-abusar og illegal nga droga sa menor de edad kaha. Kagrabe, no? So, to abuse illegal drugs, right? So, nag-abusar og illegal nga droga, right? Illegal nga droga is illegal drugs. And nag-abusar is to abuse, like abuse, or these menor de edad. Menor de edad means minor, right? Minor of age. So menor de edad means minor, or minor age. Consequently, mayor de edad means of legal age. You know, they're of age. So these minors are abusing the illegal drugs, maybe. Yeah, or these minors, or the minors are abusing the minors of age, or the minor of age people abuse the illegal drugs, perhaps. Kagrabe, no? It's pretty serious, right? Kagrabe, right? It's pretty bad, huh? Alright, and I think that ends it for this one.